This week I have added in a tutorial after meeting with the client. She loved the game basically, so I don't know how I can make it more fun, so I'm just gonna have to spice it up a lot. But she said the first bit was kind of confusing, so I've just added in the tutorial, which just steps you through. I think I'm gonna add a sort of tick on the menu screen, which will say enables tutorial or disable. So if the players know how to play the game, they can jump straight into it. Otherwise, they'll be faced with this basically quick tutorial, which just explains everything, and then we'll just let them carry on into the game. So I'm pretty much gonna just spice it all up. The only thing she said was that the question box, which was a bit intrusive, which I also agree with. So she's going to speak to the students and either see if they want it taken out, which might not be a bad thing, or we put it on a button and it will boost like the social points or something like that, so the user can choose to answer the questions.